Hazrat Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas radiyallahu anhu said, I got ill in Makkah Mukarramah and neared my death. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to visit me. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have got profound property and I have no hire save a daughter. So should I give my 2/3 property as alms? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, No. I then submitted half. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, No. I thereupon submitted 1/3. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 1/3 is also too much, and it is better to leave the inheritors prosperous than destitutes, independent to others, and whatever you expend on them, you will procure reward for it in exchange, even for the morsel you put in your wife's mouth. I then submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shall I be left behind from immigration? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, You will not be left behind and after me. Whatever you do seeking Allah's pleasure, you will, due to it, be upgraded and elevated, and numerous people will benefit themselves from you, and many people will suffer loss from you after me. But there is always a tinge of regret for Sa'ad bin Khawla. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept on feeling sorry for him, for he passed away in Makkah Mukarramah. Sufyan said Sa'ad bin Khawla was a member of Banu Amr bin Loy. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6733.